मैंने ज़हीर को एक हफ्ते में ही बोल दिया था कि आई लव यू मतलब वी वर टुगेदर फॉर 7 years. बहुत टाइम रुके हम, पहले ही कर लेनी चाहिए थी. इट्स सो फन. मैंने दबंग किया तो आई हैड बिकम वेरी वेरी फिट
और तब भी लोग बात करते थे.
हाँ, तो आई वाज लाइक अब मैं वो साइज क्यों तब भी बात कर रहे हैं, अब मैं ये साइज क्यों तब भी बात कर रहे हैं, तो लोग तो बात करेंगे ही. अब ऑनेस्टली आई थिंक आई हैव अ कन्फेशन टू मेक. आई हैव नो फैशन गेम. मुझे जीन्स और टी शर्ट में बिठा लो, मैं खुश रहूंगी. दबंग जस्ट हैपेंड. मुझे अरबाज भाई आए थे, एक शादी में देख ली थी उन्होंने. लाइक हम कुछ लिख रहे हैं and you'll be perfect for that role. Never took them seriously.
Welcome to another episode of What Women Want with Kareena Kapoor Khan, Season 5, presented by Dabur Amla, co-powered by Philips Carmen Steamer and Max Life Insurance. My guest for today has proven that she's the gold standard of wit, sass and grit. She always shines strong and bright, from Rajjo to Faridan. The list is endless. Well, I'm no Johar, but I can surely say my guest for today is Asli Sona. Please welcome Sonakshi Sinha. Hi, Sonakshi. Thank you for coming again to us.
My pleasure. असली सोना मैं हूँ, पर असली हीरा तो आप हो.
बिल्कुल नहीं, but I'm to saying that people have loved you, and that's why you are one of our repeat guests for season 5.
I think हमारी combination ही उतनी अच्छी है.
I think so.
पिक्चर करनी चाहिए हमें साथ में.
Of course.
We'll kill it.
We must. But the wedding glow is very, very evident, and I think everyone. सब इतने खुश थे that finally Sona and Zahir had tied the knot, and everybody was really, really ecstatic. So I wanted to ask you, okay, was it love at first sight with him, or like how did it happen?
For me it was. मेरे लिए था. In
अच्छा.
fact हम आज भी ये कहानी एक दूसरे को बोल के हंसते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने ज़हीर को एक हफ्ते में ही बोल दिया था कि I love you.
अच्छा, you were over excited.
I was very excited, but I don't know, there was some recognition. कोई click होता है ना जब आप जानते हो कि ये आपका ही इंसान है, and this is your person.
Yeah.
तो that sort of happened to me, and वो मेरे साथ पहले कभी नहीं हुआ था. I used to always take my time and all, but with him it was instant, and so I was the one who obviously
pushed it,
got into it much earlier than he did. But लड़कों को थोड़ा time भी लगता है ना.
हाँ.
तो
and he
one of
seems
those,
like
yeah, he's one of those boys जो अपना time लगाते हैं.
हाँ,
and,
little shy.
Not shy. बट आई वुड से कि आई थिंक वो भी एक स्टेज पे था जहाँ पर उसको पता था कि अगर ये अब मैं पढ़ूंगा इसमें तो ये परमानेंट ही होगा.
हाँ हाँ.
तो
Is he a Pisces?
No, he's a Saji.
Like my son.
Yeah.
Oh, how nice. हाँ, तो
Yeah.
I mean generic है, but Sagittarians I think they are that type that take their time to get into a relationship and very very deep.
Very. I
Yeah.
think इसलिए तो मैं फंसी हूँ उसकी बातों में, उसकी आंखों में.
But nice. Why not? But of course, you know, I mean, you come from such a successful legacy also. Your father's been such a iconic movie star. So did you ever feel the pressure of, you know, कि फिल्मों में आना है, एक्ट्रेस बनना है?
In fact, opposite. मुझे बचपन में कभी प्रेशराइज नहीं किया गया था कि मुझे एक पर्टिकुलर चीज करनी है, या तो वो एक्टिंग हो या कुछ और हो. हमें हमेशा बताया गया था कि आपका जो मन करे, जहाँ आपका दिल लगे, pursue that.
Okay.
And I think I'm very lucky. I'm one of the lucky few, because I know people in my circle also. मेरे दोस्त जब बड़े हम we were growing up, उनको बहुत प्रेशर होता था कि तुम्हें तो डॉक्टर ही बनना है, तुम्हें इंजीनियर ही बनना है. तो luckily I feel very lucky कि मेरे साथ वो
So
नहीं
dad
हुआ.
and mom were very supportive
They
of
were
your decision.
very supportive. And जब मैंने उन्हें कहा कि अच्छा अब actually मैंने कहा ही नहीं था, दबंग just happened. मैं सेट पर मुझे अरबाज भाई आए थे, एक शादी में देख ली थी उन्होंने, सलमान और अरबाज, अम्मू की शादी में.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I had lost all the weight and all, and they were like हम कुछ लिख रहे हैं, and you'll be perfect for that role. तो हमारे यहाँ में I used to just be like हाँ ठीक है. Never took them seriously.
Yeah.
फिर आ गए, फिर नरेशन हुआ, मेरी फैमिली थी वहाँ पर, सबने सुना, सबने एक दूसरे को देखा, ऐसे नॉड किया, हाथ मिलाए और उठ के चले गए, और नेक्स्ट थिंग आई नो आई एम ऑन सेट. तो ऐसा सिचुएशन था कि मुझे लग रहा था मेरी अरेंज मैरिज हो रही है. मतलब मेरा करियर
ऐसे लगा आपको?
Yeah, but then once I reached set, मुझे पता चला कि you know this is something that I want to do and continue to do. And I'm continuing to do it.
I know, and do it so well. You were fabulous in Heera Mandi.
Thank you.
जब भी मैंने आपकी फिल्म्स देखी है, राइट फ्रॉम दबंग टिल हीरा मंडी, आई फील दैट आपने अपने कैरेक्टर्स पे हमेशा बहुत काम किया है. लाइक यू हैव ऑलवेज प्रोजेक्टेड इट विद सच honesty and hard work, and we as actors, you know, we really give so much to, you know, a role and everything, and sometimes of course things don't work out commercially or box office. So which was that one moment in your life which, which was the low moment in your life which you thought, okay, nothing is going as planned, or, like maybe a time where you just needed some strength. So I want my listeners, this is a question, it's called the Dabur Amla story of strength. So I want to hear your story for that.
ओके तो जब मेरी करियर की शुरुआत हुई थी आई थिंक देयर वर मोस्टली हाइज एंड हाइज एंड हाइज मेरी हर दूसरी
Yeah.
फिल्म 100 करोड़ मार रही थी एंड यू नो इट वाज लाइक सडनली फ्रॉम लाइक नॉट इवन वांटिंग टू एक्ट मैं एक एक्ट्रेस बन गई थी और मतलब एक सारी फिल्में हिट हो रही थी तो फॉर मी मुझे वो फिल्में करके मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेंथ मिला टू काइंड ऑफ कैरी ऑन सम फिल्म्स ऑन माय ओन शोल्डर्स तो तब मैंने कोशिश की टू सॉर्ट ऑफ मूव अवे फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर जॉनर और अपनी फिल्में की हीरो मैं खुद बन गई अकीरा पहली फिल्म थी फिर मैंने बहुत अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में की अकॉर्डिंग टू मी द स्क्रिप्ट्स वर ब्यूटीफुल शूट करते वक्त मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया नूर थी खानदानी शफा खाना बट कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगा ये ऑडियंसेस के साथ ये फिल्में कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाई तो तब मुझे लगता था कि क्यों दीज आर सच स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टोरीज अबाउट सच स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट और तो कोई बहुत अच्छे लाइट में दिखाना आई थिंक वही मेरा मकसद था एंड तो मैं कोशिश करती गई एंड देन फाइनली लॉकडाउन से पहले ये था दहाड़ मेरे पास आई रीमा और जोया ने आके मुझे नरेट किया कहानी और मैंने इमीडिएटली मतलब मैं घर भी नहीं पहुंची और मैंने तभी उनको टेबल पे बोल दिया था कि हाँ मैं ये कर रही हूँ और वो सिर्फ उन्होंने जिस्ट दिया था पूरा नरेशन भी नहीं हुआ था आई वाज लाइक ये बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर है बहुत ही अच्छा कैरेक्टर है ये तो मैं करके ही रहूंगी एंड आई थिंक दैट्स वेयर मेरा हौसला फिर बढ़ा कि यू आर ऑन द राइट पाथ कभी कभार कुछ चीजें दे डोंट वर्क आउट बट आपको अपनी कोशिश नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए एंड देन आफ्टर दहाड़ हीरा मंडी केम अगेन अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पावरफुल फीमेल कैरेक्टर जस्ट व्हिच वाज लव्ड बाय सो मेनी पीपल तो आई थिंक तब जाकर मैं थोड़ी संभली
No, I think that the performances like you've mentioned जैसे दाहर थी and हीरा मंडी थी I think they are all very strong female performances. So I would like to give you this hamper. Thank you so much for sharing the story of Dabur Amla story.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This looks like a lovely hamper.
Thank you. So Sonakshi, how has it been life after marriage? I think you mentioned on Instagram that now I am home. You've started this home and you've been like, so happy and ecstatic about it. Obviously, our listeners and viewers would love to know that how it's been. What is that one thing you love, hate,
It's been
and just about tolerate about Zahir?
It's been amazing. I think मैं उसे यही बोलती रहती हूँ कि हमने पहले क्यों नहीं कर ली मतलब we were together for 7 years और बहुत टाइम रुके हम पहले ही कर लेनी चाहिए थी It's so fun ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ रह रही हूँ and it's just so convenient कि मुझे अब घर से वापस नहीं जाना होता and to come here come there तो बहुत ही convenient है and I'm spending time with the person I love to spend time with so it's been really really good. Yeah.
How nice. And good to see you guys also, going places together.
Yeah,
and we are getting
पहले
to see
छुप-छुप के जाते थे वो पहले अपनी गाड़ी में जाता था फिर मैं अपनी गाड़ी में जाती थी फिर हम अंदर मिलते थे अब हम खुले आम
I think I can see that on your face that you're
it's so relieving. I can't tell you, my God, it's the most like refreshing and most relieving thing ever.
Yeah, that's the best thing. But obviously you've done it all. I think you've done, like you said, इतने सारे 100 करोड़ की फिल्में की हैं आपने, and now Heera Mandi. So I think in Heera Mandi, like this is like time that you played a slightly negative kind of a character in your career. So how was it different? How did the role come about? What prep did you guys do?
It was actually a lot of fun. मैं एक कैसे एक्चुअली दहाड़ के टाइम पे मैं एक ऐसे मुकाम पर पहुंच गई थी कि मुझे मेरी भूख बहुत बढ़ गई थी टू काइंड ऑफ जस्ट डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स मुझे रेपिटेटिव नहीं होना था जो चीज़ें मैं पहले कर चुकी हूँ मुझे वो वापस नहीं करने थे तो आई स्टार्टेड पिकिंग माय रोल्स लाइक दैट एंड जब संजय सर आए विद द रोल ऑफ फरीदा आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड मैंने बोला इसी के लिए तो मैं रुकी हूँ एंड the way it was written, it's a very complicated character. और उसे निभाना मुझे बहुत बहुत मजा आया. It was something so different, no?
I think first time negative
first time,
character.
and ऐसा character जो मतलब कोई शर्म लिहाज कुछ नहीं है उसके पास. She's just a, like, you know, अंदर से evil person, but then how her graph changes, or you know, कैसे वो बदल जाती है, and how things happen in her life, and what's going on in the whole scheme of Hira Mandi. So it was
So a lot of prep.
too much fun. Prep, honestly, I'm not a
हाँ.
prepping actor. I think हम एक ही चट्टे बट्टे के हैं.
Yeah.
हम सेट
I
पर
think हम
पहुंच
बचपन
के
से acting करना चाहते थे also.
हम बचपन से तो मतलब आई थिंक हम में वो कीड़ा है
हाँ.
एक्टिंग का. तो आई थिंक वी जस्ट रीच ऑन सेट एंड फिर हम बन जाते हैं वो
Yeah.
कैरेक्टर. तो
So
I
not
think
too much of.
इसके साथ भी आई थिंक वही उर्दू थोड़ा बहुत सीखना पड़ा.
हाँ.
या
लाइनें जो है वो उनके साथ फ्लुएंसी.
फ्लुएंसी एंड जिस तरह से सर इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर, संजय सर, क्या आप बोल रहे हो, कैसे आप दिख रहे हो, you know, right from the dupatta to the nathini you're wearing to the earring, everything has to be just what he has imagined. So that kind of prep in terms of like the language was very important.
So obviously your fashion game, I mean, you know, it's always going up. You've definitely, your wedding attire was, I think people loved that. That went viral. So talk a little bit about that and then we'll go to the game.
You know what? Honestly, I think I have a confession to make. I have no fashion game.
हाँ.
मैं बहुत ही कैजुअल पर्सन हूँ. मुझे जीन्स और टी शर्ट में बिठा लो, मैं खुश रहूंगी.
हाँ.
मतलब आई एम अ ट्रैक पैंट sort of person.
Yeah.
And I work with some amazing stylists. There's Mohit, there's Sanam, who really put in their heart and soul into making me look good. But I leave that up to them. That's their job. My hair and makeup team, Hima, Madhu, like they are the ones who are responsible for making me well turned out.
Right.
But मैं झल्ली हूँ.
हाँ, that's what you like. But wedding outfit prep तो किया
wedding
होगा.
outfit also ऐसा हुआ कि हम इतने सारे shoots करते हैं, photo shoots करते हैं, इतनी फिल्मों में अब शादी भी हो गई है.
हाँ.
तो
अब क्या
हम
करें
वो
अलग?
सब कर चुके हैं, you know. तो मैं बहुत क्लियर थी अपने दिमाग में कि मैं अपनी शादी पे ना I'll be very simple. And मैं चाहती थी कि हर चीज मायने रखे, कुछ बहुत इमोशनल हो. तो when I was actually getting married, when my signing was happening, मैंने अपनी माँ की साड़ी पहनी. I went to her one day and वो भी 5 मिनट में select हो गई. Like I went to her and said, मम्मा क्या है आपके पास, दिखाओ ना. So she just opened up her closet and 4-5-6 साड़ियाँ बिछा दी और उसके साथ 1-2 ज्वेलरी के सेट वेट रख दिए. तो ऐसे अच्छा ये साड़ी और ये सेट पहन लूंगी मैं. And I walked out. She's like, ये क्या हो गया? Is this a bride? I've never seen a bride like this ever. So it was as easy as that because I really wanted कि वो कुछ मायने रखे. And you know, years later जब मैं 80-90 साल की हो जाऊंगी तो मैं अपने बच्चों को ऐसे दिखाऊंगी कि देखो मैंने अपनी माँ की साड़ी पहनी.
Yeah, I think that's.
And
so
maybe who
nice.
knows, मेरे बच्चे भी शायद वही साड़ी पहने.
Of
So it's
course,
like
I
a
hope
now
so.
legacy.
Legacy. How
Heirloom.
nice. It is.
Yeah.
It has become that. So nice. But now we'll move towards something a little bit more fun because it's called the Philips Garment Steamer
Okay.
Love for Clothes segment. So it's
Okay.
basically के I'll give you some situations ऐसे मैं describe करूँगी celebrities के जिस तरह से dress करते हैं and you have to guess that particular celebrity.
Okay.
And of course then you will get
Okay.
the lovely Philips hamper.
Lovely. Is it a steamer?
It is a steamer.
हाँ मैं बहुत यूज करती हूँ.
हाँ, तो देखो,
Yeah.
you made her really happy. I'm so happy that someone is going to is loving my present. I'm so happy. So 70s की fashion diva आज भी relevant.
Zeenat ji. Of course. I love her.
Loves her outfit so much that her कोई दोबारा मुड़ के देखते हैं. I don't know why they put this. They did.
कह दो ना,
Yeah.
कह दो ना, you are my
But I don't know why they put this question, guys. Okay, oversized jackets in London, anarkalis in Bombay.
Wait. I think I'm close.
Oversized jackets in London, anarkalis in Mumbai.
Sonam.
Yes,
Yeah.
well done, yeah. Sonakshi is very good, yeah.
Thanks.
It's your boy with oversized designer jackets and boots.
Karan.
No.
Also, but it could be.
Also,
Yeah.
I mean, it could be.
Ranveer.
It's your boy with oversized.
Badshah.
Yeah.
It's your boy, Badshah.
But you didn't guess it.
I didn't guess it. But because all of them are dressing like that now with these oversized jackets and boots, stylish boots.
I know. Well, either ways.
All 3 names I took are apt for this
Yeah,
question.
actually all
Yeah.
3 names. Like you said, everybody's dressing alike now. So abhi kya kare? But I think that's good. Very good. You did well. And Here's your Philips
It
steamer.
looks very heavy. Thank you very much.
Which
I'm going to
Sonakshi is
make
very nicely going to use.
good use of it. Yes.
Please. Thank you. So you pretty much nailed it, huh? Pun intended.
Always.
So the entrepreneur era, how
Yeah.
does it feel? Like, I mean, beauty products, nails. So how did this come about?
I think it was very organic. हम सब एक्चुअली बहुत टाइम से लोग मुझे अप्रोच कर रहे थे कि इसका एक हिस्सा बन जाओ या तो बिकम द फेस ऑफ इट और टेक सम इक्विटी इन इट एंड ऑल, बट मैं जानती हूँ कि अगर मैं कुछ काम ले लूँ ना तो मैं उससे 100% करना चाहती हूँ. तो nothing really excited me until my partner Shrishti actually approached me with this press-on nails brand, which is so easy, which we started 2.5 years back, and building something from scratch. वो जो फीलिंग हो, probably like having a baby. I can imagine. उसे पाल पोस के कैसे बड़ा करते हैं. It's exactly like that. Yeah. तो for me it's been that sort of an experience and बहुत मजा आ रहा है. कुछ नया है मेरे लिए. It's a different side that I'm getting to learn.
Yeah, the business
the business side of it. I'm a very creative person. तो मेरा वो नॉलेज इसमें भी यहाँ पर काम में आ जाता है. माई पार्टनर सृष्टि इज मोर ऑफ द बिजनेस माइंड एंड शी इज अ लॉयर एज वेल. तो हम इतने अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड से दोनों लड़कियाँ एक चीज़ करने के लिए वीव यूनाइटेड कि इट्स अ वेरी फन thing for us to do as well.
Yeah, it's fun.
वो मुझसे सीखती है, मैं उससे सीखती हूँ, and together we are.
And you're very actively involved.
Very actively involved.
Okay.
And together we're building this beautiful thing where we want to see it grow and grow and grow and flourish.
So you've always supported body positivity. आपने एक फिल्म भी की XXL. और अपने choices आपने काफी openly बात भी किया है, about weight and its issues, and I think today is it's a very important subject to tap on, and we must talk about it because सारी young लड़कियाँ also are going through so many mental health issues relating to body positivity. So I want to know what you have to say on that.
You are the pioneer in that.
बस
हमने सब आपसे सीखा है. I mean, you have been confident in your skin no matter what shape, no matter what size you are in. And वो ही इतनी बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन रही है, इनफैक्ट मैंने शायद किसी को बोला भी होगा, हाँ करीना तो करती है ना, ठीक है, चलता है. बट रियली आई थिंक जब मैं बड़ी हो रही थी आई वाज वेरी ओवरवेट एक्चुअली. तो इन माय स्कूल एंड कॉलेज इयर्स तो बहुत लोग बात करते थे मेरे वेट के बारे में. तो आई यूज्ड टू समहाउ जस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ शट एवरीथिंग आउट, एंड मुझे ऐसे लगने लगा कि माय वेट इज नॉट द ओनली थिंग दैट makes me. Yeah. And I think I started functioning in that way from a very young age. So that really helped. In fact, जब मैंने दबंग किया तो I had become very, very fit. I was at the thinnest I had ever been, I think. और तब भी लोग बात करते थे. तो I was like, अब मैं वो साइज क्यों तब भी बात कर रहे हैं, अब मैं ये साइज क्यों तब भी बात कर रहे हैं, तो लोग तो बात करेंगे ही. अब तुम अपना काम करो, खुशी से करो, अच्छे से करो और आगे बढ़ो.
Absolutely.
And now, I mean, look at us, we're still here. We're still killing it.
Absolutely. I do.
So, I mean, people can just say what they want, and growing up, मुझे ये भी याद है, I never really had that role model. जिसे who I could look at, when I was in college and school and say that, look, it's okay to be like this and it's okay to be like me. तो मेरे लिए बहुत important बन गया कि, I present a healthy body image, and because I know how we used to feel, in college कि हमें struggle करना होगा, weight loss करना होगा, पतले रहो.
Yeah, especially हमारे profession में.
It's so much pressure. Yeah. Like even now I'm married and all, I've put on a little bit of weight. I'm happy, but
of course,
I'm enjoying this whole period. कि मेरी शादी हुई है, I'm having, everybody wants to have lunch and dinner. घर पे बुलाना, दावतें रखना, and also it's just like, what do? You have to enjoy life.
Of course, and you're happy. That is the biggest example.
I think so too.
No, absolutely. Now, इस शो का नाम है What Women Want, like everyone knows. So, what are the two most important things that you feel women don't want?
Women don't want to be taken for granted.
Fair enough.
And women don't want to be played. No? Yeah,
they don't want to be played.
They definitely don't want.
Yeah. They don't want to be, just kind of also just,
not being taken seriously. I think they don't want that also.
Yeah. Because I think today, women we crave for that people, put us on the same pedestal as men. Because we
Equality,
are.
basically.
equality.
We are. We are better.
And look at what I think
Yeah.
all of us women are doing.
Of course.
So I think that there should be no difference.
Absolutely. I
And-
completely agree with you. In fact, हम है तो सब है ना?
I think
Yeah.
so. I absolutely think. Of course, before you go, you'll get to ask me a question. But there's one thing that I want to ask you before you leave. That what are your future plans now? How are you going to take your roles forward? How are you going to कैसे type के roles करना चाहेंगी आप?
Oh, wow.
After Dahar, Hira Mandi, is there any plan as such?
I think the beauty of my life has been कि कभी कोई plan रहा ही नहीं है. I've always taken life as it comes, and मैं उस वक्त जिस mood में होती हूँ ना, तो I just feel कैसे भी करके वो चीज़ मेरे पास आ जाती है.
हाँ.
You know, and whether it's roles or films or anything. With work, in terms of work, I feel I'm in a very good space.
Yeah.
मैं बहुत अच्छे characters play कर रही हूँ, मैं बहुत अच्छे roles निभा रही हूँ जहाँ पर मैं औरतों को एक बहुत ही अच्छे light में project कर रही हूँ. And I think that has been something that I've been trying to consistently do for the last many years. और I'm happy in that space, you know. और आगे जाकर who knows what's in store.
Yeah, of
Right
course.
now
You're
I'm-
listening to scripts,
Yeah,
you're open
yeah.
to listen to.
Right now, I also want my future to hold. Actually, travel is something that Zahir and me really love to do.
Yeah.
So since we've been married, we've been traveling a lot.
Of
You know,
course.
I want to see the world with him.
Yeah.
That is also on my mind. At some point, of course, I want to start my own family and have it all,
Absolutely.
just
Yeah,
like
you
you,
have to
a
have it all.
career, a family, everything. And like you said, you know, women can do everything,
I think
and they can have it all.
And they can achieve it. Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Of course, before you go, is there anything? This is just I don't know why this segment, but of course, ask me anything is the segment.
Okay.
So one question that
I actually do have a fun question for you.
okay.
You know, like you said, with all, जैसे लड़कियां को हमेशा खुद पर self doubt होता है.
हाँ.
And तो आपको कब पता चला कि आप खुद की favorite हो?
I think मैं तो हमेशा मेरी favorite रही हूँ. And I've always, I think जब से मैं, you know, बचपन से ही, and I was always on Lolo shoots. I think I was always just, you know, like I want to be in front of the camera, and I know that I'm my favorite. And I think
Amazing.
that's what's taken us all women also ahead.
Absolutely. और सीखो लड़कियां, this is called self confidence.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. Thank you so much, Sonakshi, for
Thank you very much.
joining me
My
on
pleasure.
the show. And you know, this is your second time.
Yes.
And
Looking
hopefully
forward to
you'll
the
come
third.
Looking forward to the third. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for having me.